Amir was a kind boy. He prayed on time. He helped his mother. He loves his little sister Aisha. But one day, something felt different. He woke up late, his cereal spilled, his toy car broken, and Aisha took the last banana. Oh, Amir shouted. He pushed the cereal bowl. Mama come running. Amir, what is wrong? I don't know, he cried. Just feel angry. Mom sat next to him. She wiped his tear gently. It's okay to feel angry, Amir. But what do with your anger? That's what matters. Amir looked down. He felt sorry. I shouted. I made a mess. I scared Aisha. Mama hugged him. Even the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam felt sad or anger sometime, but he always stayed calm. He forgave. He smiled. Amir nodded. He stood up, take a deep breath, and walked to Aisha. I am sorry, Aisha, he said. I don't mean to scare you. Aisha smiled. It's okay, bhai. Want half my banana? Amir smiled wide. The anger inside him melted like ice in the sun. From that day on, Amir learned something big. Feelings are okay, but controlling them. That is true strength. Moral of the story: it's okay to feel big emotions, but being gentle, forgiving, and calm, like our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, make a strong and kind Muslim. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the story, please don't forget to subscribe the channel.